what this is going to do, let's save it and let's refresh our page, and this is going to add this home menu item here, and you can see it's selected or it's active right now, right? Because it's giving the effect that this home item is clicked, right? So when we leave this list item as empty class and just refresh the page, it will not be selected. Okay, so this active we add to show that this item is active right now. Okay, now in the same way you can add some more list item, for example about, and this time I haven't added any let's leave it as default like this, and I haven't added any class active here, right? So once I refresh the page, I can see this is active and this is not active, right? And so now we want to add a drop down menu, for example, in our navigation bar. How we can do this? So there is first of all list item, so we will add a list item here, and we will end this list item with this closing tag, and we have included this class called Dropdown. Okay, and this will add a drop down menu item to your nav bar, right? Now first of all we will add this item here like about. So I will just copy this and I will explain you everything one by one. So for now let's remove this thing, okay, and this thing. Okay, so what I am doing here, I'm creating a href here, and what it's doing, you can provide any reference or website URL here. So for example, when I click this toggle menu, it will go to the web page related to this learn menu item, right? And we are importing this class called Dropdown toggle. So when somebody clicks this learn button, this toggle or all the items in this menus should toggle or should collapse, or if they are collapsed already, they should contract back or something like this. We will see what it's doing in a bit. Let's save it and let's refresh it, and we have learn, but right now it's like same as these other menu item, home and about. Nothing we can see which says that it's a drop down menu. And for making it look like a drop down, we add this class called carrot. Okay, so let's add a class which will be bold after this learn. So just add this, and which is with the bold item, for example. Okay, so add this class called carrot and refresh this page. It will add this small triangle here, and now user will see, and yeah, he will come to know that it's a drop down menu. So he can once this clicked, this class is called drop down toggle, and it will toggle your drop down menu. Okay, now inside the drop down menu we have to add some menu items, right? So to add a menu item, it's the same procedure like these, right? Unordered list, and inside unordered list some list items. So this time we will add this unordered list like this, just below your reference, and I will just close it. UL with backslash. And inside this unordered list, first of all, I am using this class called Dropdown menu, which indicates that it's a drop down menu. And then in the list item, first of all, we can add a list item. First of all, we can have some header list item. So we can add li, and we call a class called Dropdown header. Okay, so drop down minus header. Okay, and this shows that it's a drop down header for your menu item, right? And for this you can add any name, for example examples, and just close your list item like this. And then we have some normal menu item inside your menu, right? So we can add some menu items like this, list items, and these are normal list items. These are not headers or something. So whenever somebody clicks the C++, it will go to the C++ page, for example programmingknowledge.org/cpp or /java. So let's save it and let's see what happens. Refresh the page, and I can see this first of all header, which is example, and then sub menu item, you can say. So C++ and Java, right? Let's add in the same way one more header. So just copy all these three things and paste it like this, and this time, for example, I say tutorials. Okay, save it and refresh the page, and I can see two headers, drop down headers, example and tutorial, and then some sub menu item, C++, Java, and C++ and Java, for example. And when I collapse this, I can see this button, and when I click this button, I can see menu items once again. I can see the drop down menu here, and it will work like this. Okay, so in this way you can add a navigation bar or navbar to your Bootstrap page. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.